Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Toyota Corolla. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is turned completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. Having a new, fully charged battery that matches your Corolla's specifications ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery under the hood and identify the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign and a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive cable, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lift out the old battery, remembering they can be quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds. Clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Now, gently place your new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it sits level and secure. Reattach the hold-down clamp firmly to prevent any shifting. For the final steps, let's connect and secure everything. First, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Next, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal, ensuring it's also very secure. Give all connections a gentle tug to confirm they are tight and won't wiggle. Finally, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion spray to both terminals for added protection and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.